Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make egg muffins in air fryer. Crack and whisk eggs thoroughly, then add fillings like spinach, bell pepper, cheese, and cooked bacon. Pour the mixture evenly into greased cups, filling to about 3/4 full. Preheat the air fryer to a medium temperature, then cook for a short time, checking for a firm center and light browning to ensure even doneness. Start by whisking 4 to 6 eggs in a bowl with a pinch of salt and pepper, then stir in fillings evenly. Use silicone cups or a small muffin tin sprayed with oil and fill each cup 3/4 full to avoid spillover. Arrange cups in a single layer in the air fryer basket, set a moderate temperature, and cook until centers are firm and edges are lightly golden, rotating if needed for even cooking. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like for more simple air fryer recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs humorously with meal prep since smarter spending buys you extra breakfasts. I find a good mindset helps plan meals and budgets alike, so check the description for the book link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Try using low-moisture cheese and pre-cooked fillings to keep texture right and avoid excess moisture. Slice vegetables small and sauté dense veggies briefly so everything cooks evenly with the eggs. For meal prep, cool egg muffins fully before sealing in an airtight container, and reheat in the air fryer or microwave briefly to restore warmth without drying them out, keeping flavor and texture consistent for quick breakfasts or snacks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.